Hey guys, it's Big C with the last break from Friday night. If I can figure out this phone. 7:49, 7:50 now, Sunday, December 9. This is the Prestige from Friday night, Prestige basketball. So we'll go through the sheet real quick. Prestige basketball, and then on the 7th, a few teams didn't sell. Magic 76ers did not sell. Nuggets Grizzlies. And also all the limited basketball comes out, I believe, on the 14th, and the absolute memorabilia football, I think, comes out either the 12th or 14th. I've seen both dates, so I'm not exactly sure when that comes out. And then I think the absolute basketball comes out on the 19th. But again, the thing with Panini is it seems like they change their dates a lot. So, but I might go ahead and list it. I'll check the release dates again just to make sure they haven't changed. But I might start listing the Prestige or the absolute memorabilia basketball. And oh, these are going to fall. Do the Kobe real fast. That goes to Muggsy NYC. See if we get anything exciting. Nope, not that exciting.
For a limited time, get a special discount at NFLShop.com.
Josh Smith, rookie. Royce White for the Rockets.
The OT is presented by
Just base cards. Then we are looking for 4 hits, 3 autographs. 1 Connections, Maverick Steve Nash. Tobias Harris. Blake Griffin.
Personal for a lot of reasons. I know you were 0-3 headed in against your hometown team. How good does it feel to be done today?
I feel it's great. I can finally show my face in the arena now.
Got Terrence Ross, rookie for the Raptors. Base, just base cards. Derrick Rose. First autograph is Kenneth Ferret for the Nuggets. And that would go to, actually that's me if they got the Nuggets. Orlando Johnson, rookie.
I'll never even forget how this football team
Base.
We'll continue the morning's loss. We'll continue to miss him. We will never forget about him.
Boston Celtics Prestige franchise favorite Paul Pierce. Chandler Parsons, rookie. And base. This is a thick one here. I don't know if it's a decoy or I guess it's just a decoy. Base, Brooke Lopez, Stars of the NBA. Marcus Morris, rookie. OJ Mayo, Ben Gordon. Paul Pierce. Kyle Lowry, 249 bonus shots. Trey Tompkins, rookie. And base. Tyler Zeller, rookie for the Cavs. James Harden. Let's see, Clint Davis, Jeremy Lin. Connections, Durant Aldridge, Kylo Quinn, rookie. I tell you, these packs are really thick. I don't know if the decoys are thicker in these or what, but Ronnie Stuckey, Thunder, Russell Westbrook, Hardcore Heroes, Jeff Taylor, Kobe, Steven Jackson, base, Terrence Ross rookie. Still looking for 2 autographs and a jersey. Stars of the game, Jimmer Fredette, rookie for the Kings. Bonus shot Josh Harrelson, 249. Justin Harper, rookie. Base. Sheldon Mack, Ray Allen. Kyrie Irving, rookie for the Cavs. That's a good one. Here is a autograph. Marcus Teague for the Bulls. Keegan, we'll get that one. It's a good one. Don Lure, Bucks rookie. Baines. Fat pack, is it a decoy or the hit? Looks like a decoy. Kevin Durant, Hardcore Heroes. Another Tyler Miller. I don't know if I've ever opened these and had the same rookie in them. Actually, I've opened several boxes and only pulled one Anthony Davis card. Jeremy Tyler. Still looking for 2 hits. 2 hits with 5 packs. Connections. Jeff Taylor. Alright, here's a fat one. Decoy or jersey? It looks like a jersey. And it is Cavaliers. Anderson, how do you say his name, Nathan? The Cavaliers? I don't know, I can't say his name. That guy, though. Lord knows I butcher enough. Rookies of Terry. Usually my son can bail me out, but not this time. I hear it 100 times on SportsCenter. Reggie Jackson. Why is that backwards? Because it's autographed. Thunder. Skins fan Troy, 72. There's Anthony Davis, speaking of the devil. That's the second one I've pulled. All right, I believe that's all our picks. Ty Lawson, stars of the NBA. I think we pulled 2 of him too. Kyle O'Quinn. It's the first time I don't know if I recall doing that. And here we go with the last pack. Kobe, hardcourt. Oh. Rookie. And there you have it. Alright guys, there you have it. That is the breaks from Friday night. Again, keep checking out my auction. I'll probably go ahead and list that absolute. I'd like to list it, that way when it comes out, we have it right when it comes out. So I might go ahead and list that this week. And Limited will be out this week. So I think Limited comes out 14th, which I believe is Friday. So again, guys, I appreciate it. Keep checking out the auctions. Big C 2020-14. Thanks, man.